A nice two-way dash cam is essential for any car. You don't need to break the bank when you get one. Something like the Tvfea two-way dash cam is a great option. I installed this for a client of mine. She's been using it now for about 2 months. And really, it's been serving the role great. It does loop recording. It has a G sensor on it. It was inexpensive. The image quality on it is good. It has Wi-Fi connectivity. The night vision is good on it. So it really does check all the boxes that we need. When you got the kit, you had everything in it that you needed to install. You had a pry tool. You also had the power cables. You had a USB card, so you can just hit the ground running, which is what you want from a dash cam. You set it, forget it. And God forbid anything happens, you can just pull that footage out and upload it. Now, when she says that she was trying to connect her phone, not because there was an incident, now when she connects the phone to the Wi-Fi, because it does have Wi-Fi, and that's a great feature to have, unfortunately that also somehow negates the MMI system in her Audi. So it seems that there may be some communication issues if you're trying to do something a little more complex than just phone to camera. Another thing that I noticed when I was installing it, the power cable that came with it was a little bit shorter than I would have wished. For this car, and every car is a little bit different, we went with the power supply that was over here on the center console in the back. It usually gets unused and it's a great option to tap into. But when I was doing it, I could barely squeeze it. I was battling out 1/8 of an inch, and the power cable is a little taut here. So that's the only other thing. I wish there was a little more length on it. But again, this is an Audi, and it's a big SUV, so it is a little more length. If you have a sedan, that really should not be an issue. As a great, easy, inexpensive, reliable camera, good option. A few minor things I would improve for future iterations. Hopefully you found this helpful. Stay safe on the road.